What is up, guys? Aiden here from loshtv. I'm here with Lexi. Today we are at Disney's Animal Kingdom. It's been a long time since we've been here, almost about a year, maybe more or less.
No, we went last year.
We went last year, but like it was before we had our annual passes. We have passes now. So we are here. We're here to have some fun and have a fun day all together.
It's really hot outside.
It is really hot.
Oh my gosh,
so I don't know, it should be a good day. We're gonna go in there, we're gonna enjoy everything the Animal Kingdom has to offer. So let's go have some fun. And now Animal Kingdom is probably one of my favorite theme parks to visit. However, it's always closing a lot sooner than the other parks due to the animals. So I'm kind of happy that we got up a little bit earlier today just to come and check out the park because it has been a really long time. It's time for our first animal here in the park.
Hello. Oh, he just...
What? You're so handsome.
He just...
Or beautiful.
He tinky a little bit. Oh, he's blue! Sorry.
Goodbye. Guys, look, here's another animal for you. This is a rhinoceros iguana, and like Lexi said,
He's thick.
oh yeah. And here's one of my favorite reveals in the park. As soon as you turn the corner away from all the animals, you see the Tree of Life. It's just gorgeous. One of the coolest little structures I've ever seen when it comes down to parks. And Lexi's stopping to look at the ears. What are these ears looking like? Oh, that's cute. It's the Lion King.
I showed this to his best friend.
Yeah, my best friend's a huge like Lion King fan. I gotta send her a picture of that. So yeah, there's that, and there's also a Lion King hat like right there, which I kind of like. Don't know if I'd get it, but I like it. It's a Hakuna Matata with Pumbaa. Kind of cool. All right, guys, so we are now walking into our first attraction today, and that is going to be It's Tough to Be a Bug. Lexi's not the biggest fan of this attraction, which I understand.
Yeah, I don't like it, but whatever.
But it's a classic. Like, you go into the Tree of Life, and you get to enjoy the hard beings of a bug. We have our bug eyes right here. I mean, Lexi's fixing her ears right now, but we have our bug eyes, and we're ready to go in. Hi. It's really hot. I don't know how well they'll hear you because of the music, but
I lost my... No, I didn't bring my... Ow, I didn't bring my water bottle. I also just hit my hand on his bug
eyes.
Bug
They're bug eyes. Bug eyes. We just got out of It's Tough to Be a Bug. I love it. It's so cute.
Oh,
I know it's
calling in my butt. Hey, at the end.
Oh, okay, that makes more sense. It's fun.
It's cute.
It's a fun show. It's always fun to watch. And if you're watching it for if you're going for the first time, it's really enjoyable.
Yeah.
To be completely honest, right? Yeah. Sure. Exactly. But right now we're going to go from It's Tough to Be a Bug to Festival of the Lion King. Hopefully you can get in. We'll see. We have 10 minutes. Fingers crossed. All right, so we made it to Festival of the Lion King in time, guys. But it seems like everyone else had the same idea because it was like a mad rush walking here. But here we go. Enjoy some bits and pieces of the show.
How you doing? Don't worry, we're all Buddy Timo's here. The show can begin. Hey, what are you doing? Slow down, slow down! I'm supposed to be center stage! Who's driving this thing? Timon!
Alright, so we just finished watching Festival of the Lion King, and it was Lexi's first time seeing it. What'd you think?
It's cute. There's a lot going on.
That's what you expect, though.
Yeah, we got crappy seats, but...
Yeah, so the video that you guys saw, not the best footage, but we were kind of just enjoying it too, because of course it was Lexi's first time doing it, so... We're now going to go do Kilimanjaro safaris. It's like Lexi's favorite thing to do here, but we always get here way too late whenever we get here, so a lot of the animals are sleeping.
Well, maybe they'll be awake.
Maybe they'll be awake. Fingers crossed, we'll see some.
Threatened. They're being threatened from humans, and
look at the rhino.
To the point that there's only about 5,000 of them left in the world.
Wow.
So
now, black rhinos have what's called a prehensile upper lip. It's like a small finger. They use that to eat from bushes. Really good at catching the food.
Look, guys, they're getting fed.
So those must be cranes?
Oh yeah.
Giraffes can run
Look
a
at
pretty
them
impressive
giraffes.
35 miles an hour.
That's scary. Out over there in the distance, you can see a
On the right
zebra.
hand side, nice and close.
And then get ready for this. This is going to be a very close encounter.
This is an Ankole cattle.
Oh my.
Really?
Oh my.
We're doing this right here. All right. Well, if you listen, hear them hit those horns together, you'll hear that they're hollow.
Okay, so we have finished our Kilimanjaro safari, and now we are going to Rafiki's Planet Watch. It's been a really long time since I've been back here. I think last time I was back here, I was a baby. So, I'm gonna go check it out. It's been a really long time, so it should be fun. So back here, you can actually get up close and personal with some of the animals. It's kind of cool. Bunch of little goats right here. I don't know if I'd call them little, but kind of cool. He's like, what you looking at? Hello, little guy. How are you? Yeah, just avoid touching their mouth. They'll try to bite you. Hey, little guy.
So bony.
He's bony. I love how like they try to make themselves bigger by getting on stuff.
I am big.
I am big. No, away from their mouth. That's what they said. There's also, is a cow? Okay, it's a cow, right? Or is it? Hello again. Hey, can you come here so I can pet you? You can't go. You can't go play with the cow right now. Oh, he said this is my turf.
He said he has poop. Square up. He's like, why this?
Hello. It's like they're trying to protect their territory away from the cow. So I wonder if they jump on that with no problem, can they like jump? Okay. Yes. All right, that's terrifying. All right, cool. I'm gonna walk away now. Oh yeah, that's right. In the safari, he was like, you're not supposed to spread that information. He's like, you're not supposed to spread that information. That's our secret. Oh, nice. He's peeing. The one that's looking at you aggressive. They're all over here looking aggressively now. Hey, bud. What's up? How's it going?
This is the baby. There's a baby.
How's it going, bud? Good talk. All right.
He's pooping. He's pooping.
He was peeing and now he's pooping. I love animals.
Censored information. Cut.
Hello. Goodbye. Look at the little piggy running. Look at him go. You got this. You're so cute. He's drooling.
Oh my God.
He's so cute.
This is a valid reason why I need to pick. Guys, tell him I need to pick.
No.
Yes.
No.
You just enjoyed it as much as I did.
Yeah. You don't have to clean up after that one.
You will.
I won't. Oh, there's another one coming. Here he comes. Hello. I'm singing. You don't want me to pet you, but you keep going. You know what? Can I pet you, sir? Please. I tried. They're playing. Oh. Good job. I'm proud of you, Tubby. Tubby, do it again.
It's like the elbow thing. Like,
yeah. They're so cute, though. Maybe if I move over here, the shadow will be gone. I love how they just keep switching sides. Oh! Yeah! Look at the desk there. It's giving WrestleMania. It's WrestleMania weekend, so it just makes sense. Oh. Oh, oh, oh. They're fighting outside of the ring, guys. Someone got a 10 count going. 1, 2. I'm not counting all the way to 10. I'm not counting all the way to 10. 4. Oh, he's going back in. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. Ring the bell. Alright guys, so we just finished with the animals. They were so cute. So, they were though.
Yeah, they're okay.
Except for the sheep, they didn't let me pet them no matter what. Let me pet them once, and that's it.
By now you'd already seen the pigs.
Yeah.
That's before what we're doing now, what we're talking about. So cute.
The pigs were adorable. They
That's
were
my
the
favorite
cutest thing ever.
And they were pooping and peeing. Well, not them, but the goats.
Oh, everything. I mean, it's just animals being animals. That's a really fun experience. If you've never done that here in Animal Kingdom, strongly recommend doing that. But now, we're going to go back in, and we're going to go to the land of make-believe in a way. We're going to go to
Flight of Passage.
Pandora.
Flight of Passage.
Pandora, same thing. We're going to go do Flight of Passage because, oh yeah. We have now entered in a location. There are pigeons that fly away. We are in Pandora, and we are ready to go do Flight of Passage. So, let's do it. Can't get over the floating mountains. They're beautiful. As we are now leaving the world of Pandora, and I gotta say, Flight of Passage, like always. Huh?
I don't know. I thought it was the world of Avatar.
Well, it's Pandora, the world of Avatar.
Oh, okay. So I was right.
Yeah, still the same name essentially. So right now we are walking to Dinosaur, and where there's only like 2 attractions over there in Dino Land, USA.
Rawr.
We're gonna go do one of them at least, because I don't think we're doing Triceratops spin, right?
I mean, honestly.
It don't matter. Wait.
Hello there.
All right, we just got off a Dinosaur, and might I say, that is always the roughest ride you'll ever go on.
Yep.
Like, I don't understand it. I was talking to Lexi about it when the ride finished, because we did Indiana Jones last 2 years ago when we went to when we went to Disneyland, and it's the same exact ride. It's just not as rough. So I wonder if this ride needs like a refurbishment, or if it just needs to completely be gutted and replaced.
Maybe it's the same ride system.
Yeah.
Like the ride system isn't bad.
The ride system's cool.
The ride is supposed to be rough. Like that's
that's the whole idea. But I mean, it's not the worst situation.
Oh, that poor son.
I wouldn't say like, oh, let's not do Dinosaur, because Dinosaur's fun. So yeah, we have maybe like 1 or 2 rides left in us. So
Here's a sign squeaking.
no, here too. Don't worry.
Okay. But anyways, we're gonna go do Everest, right? Or
Everest.
is it Dinosaur. I mean, not Dinosaur.
I mean, we could do. Why not? We'll do Triceratops spin. Why not? And of course, before going into Triceratops spin, if you guys didn't know, Primeval Whirl completely gone, and now it's just like a little like sit down, relax kind of place, which is crazy to me, because ever since I've started coming to the park, that I can remember, this coaster was here, and now it's gone. But it's a good positive thing, because things will slowly but surely change, and this is actually a huge plot of land, so who knows what'll happen. Huge plot of land. But here we go, guys. We're going to go do Triceratops spin. Let's go have some fun.
Dentro del dinosaurio. Cuide a los pequeñitos. Gracias. Riders in the front row can use their lever to fly higher or lower.
All right, guys.
Riders in the back
We're here.
row can use their lever to tilt forward or
You heard that? So you're going to be the one that's tilting us forward and backward. I'm moving us up and down.
for a spin.
So we have finished Triceratops spin. It's always such a cute, like, fun ride, right?
Yeah.
I enjoy it.
What, like a 45-second ride, maybe?
If that.
Oh, you see her.
Everest. Beautiful, gorgeous, fantastic. So now let's go ahead and go into Everest. It's okay.
I get anxiety still, guys. You wouldn't know, but I do. Anyways.
It's really bad for both of us.
Okay, bye.
And there's Everest, guys. Now, sadly, this is now my second favorite Disney roller coaster, right behind Guardians, but it still packs a punch and it's still so much fun. This is peak Disney Imagineering right here. This is such a great coaster. And well, let's get on and have some fun, go say hi to Disco Yeti, and enjoy our time on our expedition. We went on once, but we're gonna go on again because we still have 5 minutes before park closes. Yeah, our picture wasn't there, kind of sad, but it's okay. So we decided to do it a third time, and we might actually end up getting the entire ride vehicle to ourselves too.
Not the entire ride vehicle, just the
Almost. The entire back at least. Kind of cool, kind of cool. It took 3 tries to get the exact back row, but
We went for 15?
yeah, we literally, so, yeah, we started at 15, then we went 16, 17.
Let's go.
Let's go. All right, guys, so as you saw, we did Everest 3 times. We went from 15, 16 to 17.
Row 16.
Was row 16 the final?
It's row 15, 16, 17. You just said 15, 16, 17.
Yeah, I mean, that's understandable if I'm talking about a roller coaster. What are they gonna think? Intensity levels?
I don't know.
I don't know. But all in all, we had a very fun day today. We never really do this, like, going to Animal Kingdom or going to, like, one park and enjoying just that one park. So I kind of liked it.
Yeah, it was fun. Now
It
I'm
was
tired.
fun. We're both tired.
So cute.
But all in all, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, please give it a thumbs up. Comment down below what you want to see next from us. Subscribe if you guys already haven't done so.
And 6 of my dudes.